Hey there, boys and girls. Here we are, day number 1 of our January daily math. Let's look at number 1. It says 28 plus 4 equals 4 plus 28. Is that true or false? Well, I'm looking back to our commutative property of addition, and it doesn't matter which way we add them, it's the same answer. So that is going to be true. 28 plus 4 more is 32. 4 plus 28 is also 32. All right, this says fix the mistake. We have 7 hundreds, 4 ones, 2 tens. You see it? This should be tens. And this should be ones. Or you could have crossed off the 4 and made it a 2 and the 2 a 4. I chose to write tens and ones, so I stayed in order, but you can do it however you want. Hello, friends. I came to visit you from the zoo. The zookeepers call me Belle because I'm beautiful. What kind of animal am I? Penguin, right? So, P-E-N, penguin. Penguin. All right. Number 4. There are 17 penguins at the zoo. There are 8 king penguins and 4 rockhopper penguins, and the rest are Gentoo. How many Gentoo penguins are at the zoo? All right, well, there's a total of 17. Okay. 8 king and 4 rockhopper. So 8 plus 4 equals 12. And there are 17 to start with. So if the 12 of them are these other kinds and the rest are these Gentoo penguins, then if we subtract 12 from 17, our answer is 5. How many of these kind of penguins are at the zoo? 5. Okay? Good job. Irvin wants to earn 100 rewards from his teacher in the new year. So far, he has earned 19. How many more rewards will Irvin need to earn? So, he wants to earn 100, and he's earned 19. So, what's the difference between that? Difference means we are going to subtract. We have to borrow. So, 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. So he will need to earn 81. How many more rewards? 81 more rewards. We could also make this 99 and make this 18, right? As a way to subtract without subtracting across zeros. We just take 1 away from each of these and we subtract it. It should still be our same answer. Makes it a little easier if we don't know quite how to do the cross the zeros. So 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. It is the same answer. All right, boys and girls, we'll see you tomorrow for day number 2.